Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in into Gmail account in Gmail application, and if you want to log out from here, you should log out from Google account on your device. To do that, you should click here to manage accounts on your device, and after that select here your account. To log out from here, you should click remove this account and confirm your action by click to remove account and to OK. Now if you have some lock methods on your device, you should enter the password, just draw the pattern or use the face unlock, for example. Now we can see that we just log out successfully from in Google account settings from Gmail account, and let's just refresh the application, and now here we can see that we successfully log out also from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.